Yo, can you guys hear me now? Because I was trying to figure out what's going on. So hopefully this can you guys hear me? Can you guys hear me? Because it was just kind of bad. So let me see. Okay, all right, that's good. I think you guys can hear me now, and that sounds perfect to me. All right. So let me just try to fix this. Um, okay, guys. So let's continue since you can hear me now. So let me check out what you guys were saying. Um, okay, Blue Ridge, what's up? Hi, boss. Good morning. It's really been a very long time. Yeah, for sure, man. It's been a long, long time, bro. But now I'm back, so thank God for that, right? So somebody is saying yes. Okay, I can't hear anything here. Sorry guys, and so on and so forth. Okay, Zafar is saying I can hear you, which means you guys can hear me now, right? But let me confirm that to know if it's general because it might be just for a few users. Okay, I can't hear anything here. Sorry guys, and so on and so forth. All right, I think you guys should be able to hear me now. That's good. That's good. Let's go back down to business, bro. All right. So as I was saying, this is Euro JPY, and of course, like I said, I'm in a sell right now, and we are in about how many pips is this? We are about almost 90 pips right now on this. Yeah, 90 pips on Euro JPY, and of course, the final take profit is 250 pips, guys. Of course, this is a long time trading, meaning that this is a swing trading, not just get in and get out with 50 pips, 20 pips, and so on and so forth. Of course, if I want to do that, I can still do it, but I don't find that very, very profitable. And of course, we do this because of we want to be a profitable traders, not just you just want to try and trade and so on and so forth. So we are doing this so that we can be a profitable traders, guys. So yeah, this is it right now on Euro JPY. And of course, if you have any particular pair that you want me to check for you, definitely just say down in the chat section, then I'll be able to see it and just say, hey Israel, can you check out this particular pair for me, and so on and so forth. I'll gladly do that. That's why we are coming here live and direct. And of course, like I said, don't forget to share this video with your friends and family so that them too can participate and grab one or two things from here, because definitely everybody is trying to make money in this market. So it will not take you nothing, like it's $0 to share the video with your friends and family. Just share it with them, and that's it, guys. That's it. Yeah. All right, so let's go down and check another pair that we are in right now, which is AUD USD. We are in AUD USD as well, and of course we are in GBP USD. So let's go and check AUD USD. All these trade, guys, are last week's trade. It is not this week. I haven't actually get into any trade this week, but it is a last week trade. So you can see this is AUD USD right now. So AUD USD, guys, last I think we had a stop loss hit on this before I execute this very trade on AUD USD, right? We had a first stop loss hit. So that's why I do say that whenever time you have a stop loss hit, guys, it doesn't mean that you are in the you are wrong or something like that. Nah, it might be a market maker just trying to hunt stop loss and stuff like that. So I think we had a first stop loss hit on these, and after that, then boom, I analyze it again and get into same sell. And right now, of course, you guys can see how many pips is this. This is 80 pips right now. So of course, the final take profit is 170 pips. So we still have a long way to go on this particular pair being AUD USD, right? So and of course we still have more pairs to trade, and we still have more pairs we are in a GBP USD as well, and of course USD CAD and USD CHF. So we have a lot of them, guys, that I'm in right now. So, and of course they'll continue to move in the right direction. That's what I'm saying right now. So yeah, just a quick reminder, do tell me if you have any particular pair that you want me to analyze for you, so that I can just check it out and tell you what exactly is going to happen, or what exactly I'm seeing on those particular pairs, right? So with that being said, let's continue, guys, with whatever that we have seen here. All right. So let me go down and check GBP USD. So yeah, this is GBP USD as well, guys. We are in a sell, and right now GBP USD is also in profit. The final take profit for this is 290 pips. So we will see what exactly GBP USD is going to do, but right now it's just about 65 pips in profit, and that's what I'm seeing on GU, which is GBP USD, right? So let me check another pure USD card. We are in this since last week as well. You can see USD card is going to go and hit our final take profit for 250 pips. So this is this on this, and 250 pips, guys. And of course USD CHF, boom, this one as well is pushing to the upside. So yeah, you can see where I got in on USD CHF, right? So this is it, guys. When you are a naked chart and price action trader, definitely you should be able to know when to get into the trade and when to get out of the trade. So but when you are using indicators, I'm not saying that indicators there are crap or anything. Some people can't trade without an indicator, right? But me personally, I cannot trade with indicator, guys. Because of what? Because of that's how I trade, and that's how my style of trading is. So of course, if you see that okay, Zafar is asking, how do you determine TPs, which is take profit, right? So I will try and let you know how I determine take profit. What determines take profit, guys, is your key levels, meaning support and resistance, right? That's what determines your key levels. You can see right here now, you can see I mark this structure out because this is where the market tends to go a little bit to the upside, meaning that it is a retracement, right? So as I took note of that, then I was like, okay, this is my resistance level now. Boom, the market pushed to the downside, and this is a support level. You can see first, second, and third touches there, then definitely acted as support level, and now supported the market to go to the upside. So what determines your stop loss and take profit, guys, is your previous key level. So you can see if the market is able to break out of this structure being the resistance level, definitely it will keep on pushing to the upside. But if it's not able to break out of this, and there's a high tendency of the market pushing back down to the downside. So that's why you see my take profit is right here at this particular resistance area, right? So that's what I'm seeing on this, and of course that's just how you can put your stop loss and take profit. Your stop loss, you just have to place it below the structure, below the previous support level, if you are buying in this case now. So you can see my stop loss now is just below this, the lowest point that the market get to. You can see how many pips is this, is about 70 pips. But from here to the downside, you can see I still added like about 30 pips, you know. So the stop loss originally is supposed to be like 40 pips, but based on the fact that we want to be at the safer side, guys, because the market makers can easily, you know, push the market to the downside and get you out of it and come before going up to the upside. So you have to place your stop loss, you know, minimum of 30 pips below the lowest point possible or below the highest point possible. So that's just how you can put your stop loss and take profit when it comes to placing them, right? So it is very, very important for you to just be putting your stop loss and to be putting your support and resistance, guys. You don't just put it for because of fancy, or you see my chart, I do put support or resistance, then you be like, okay, let me copy Israel. You know, that's not how it works, guys. How it works is, you know, you have to know exactly where are those support and resistance are before you can place them and before they can work out for you, you know, because it might just be working out against you if you don't know how to place those your support and resistance, right? So it is very, very important for you to know how to put them. So hopefully that had answered your question, Zafar. So, you know, all right, guys, let's go ahead and check other one, which is USD card. So you can see USD card, same thing. You can see this is USD card. Right now it is USD card. This is for 250 pips, and USD card right now is also in profit, guy. It's also in profit of 150 pips. So you can just check it out, you know. So it is very, very important for you to be doing all these kind of things. So let's go down and check which other pair we can trade for the day. This is USD JPY, and of course I'm looking at USD JPY as well, guys. We might trade it, you know. We might trade USD JPY because of I like to trade USD pairs as well. They are, you know, they are quite okay if you know what you are doing. But if you don't know what you are doing, guys, you know, definitely you might have tough time doing them or trading them. So let me check out some stuff. Cryptocurrency, guys, like the market cap is down about 4.17%. So even cryptocurrency, they are flying, like they are just, you know, selling. So it is what it is, man. I think we do have recession coming, so we can't do nothing to this particular stuff. You know, we just do our analysis and stuff like that, then we trade them. So we don't actually have much news coming today. I was trying to check news if we have some news coming, but we don't have it, right? Why your 0.96116 level is not a TP? Let me check what Zafar is saying first on our chart. Which one is that? Is it USD CAD or USD CHF? You saying USD? I think it's USD CHF, something like that. Okay. Zafar is saying why 0.96116? 0.96116 is not a level or is not a TP. 96116, is it 116? Okay, you are talking about this level here, right? You are talking about this level, if I'm correct. Zafar, are you talking about this level here? This one, you can see this one acted as support level. So support level is not our target. A resistance area is our target. But here, this one happened first before this one. So that's why we are targeting this and not referring this as our key level, you know. So that's just what is behind that. And there's nothing much on that, guys. Yeah, USD CHF, I'm checking it, you know. I'm on USD CHF. Alright. So that's it. There's nothing much on that. So, you know, All right, guys. So yeah, somebody is saying analysis on GBP/JPY. Please, GBP/JPY is supposed to be selling, guys. GBP/JPY is supposed to be selling, but let me check it out. So that we all know what is happening and stuff like that. It is very, very important here. But Zafar, has it answered your question of why I say that regard that as my key level? GJ, let's go down to GJ. Okay, so this is GBP/JPY right now, guys. You can see the last time I analyzed GJ, it was here. So boom, push to the downside. So right now, GBP/JPY is trying to push back up to the upside, but believe me, guys, this is just a mystery. Nobody seems to understand what's going on GG right now. But the reason why the market sold, it was because of this structure here. Because of that level, you can see the market reacted to this structure, and that's why you see that this particular pair being GBP/JPY sold to the downside. Yeah, so that's that. But right now I'm seeing that if GJ is able to continue to go back up, definitely we need a breakout to happen, guys, because I cannot just say this is what is going to happen and so on. You can see this is a perfect trend to the upside, so we need a breakout to happen on this particular trend before we can actually consider this as it's going to go down or any other thing like that. But as for now, this shit is just going up, But let's see, you can see we have structure here. This level acting as your resistance zone right now. So of course that comes from here. Let me just mark it out for you guys so you can know what I'm saying. It comes from here. That's another structure, and of course you can see it, right? You can see that. But if the market is able to break out of this and push to the upside, definitely is going to continue to go up to the upside. But if it's not able to do that, we might see a push to the downside, and the market will sell. But let's see, change these stuffs. All right, so you guys can see this is what might happen on GJ right now. It might decide to push up right here, then from there it's now going to break out of this structure, come down to this point, then maybe to retest again before it's going to eventually fall to the downside. So the reason why I say that is because we are seeing this level here, right? There is that level, and there is this level here as well. So you can see how this structure might play out. Whenever time GJ is able to give us this move, we can either sell it right here and set our stop loss above, or we wait for it to completely break out of this trend line and retest again before we execute our trade. So those are the things that we can do on GJ right now. So it depends on how you trade, but me personally, there are two things that I can do here on GJ if I want to trade it according to how I trade with my strategy, right? So the first thing is, I'll wait for the market to come up to this area, then I'll execute my trade as a sell after I see some sort of candlestick patterns that will push the market to the downside, or I wait for breakout to happen and let the market come down to this area and wait for another retracement to come up again to this level here before I will then sell it, and the market will push to the downside. But before I execute the trade, guys, there are so many things I put into consideration, including candlestick patterns, market structure, market patterns, and so on and so forth. So you as a trader, I don't know what you personally like and things like that. And if you see that it is not right time for you to get into the trade, no need for you to just execute your trade just like that, So This is just what is happening on GJ right now, and this is what I'm seeing on GBP JPY. So I think it's Israel that asked that question. Yeah, love the Israel. You asked that question, so